Good, man.
Good. Oh, I just came from Mum's.
Oh, yeah?
She says
Yeah.
hi.
Oh, she's doing well, is she?
Yeah, she's doing alright.
Hey,
She's
well,
Mum.
welcome to church, man.
Oh,
This is-
thanks for showing me around, man.
Yeah,
It's
no
so cool.
worries.
First time here.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah, well, hey, look,
Let's
this is
have a
where,
look.
this is our chapel. This is where the sanctuary, the worship happens. With these lovely pews.
Yeah.
The worship team up in front there. I preach from up on that little stage there.
Yeah.
What do you think, eh?
Yeah.
Haven't been to your church yet.
No,
The new
I'll
one.
have to show you around. Yeah.
Hey man, good of you to finally show me your church. I thought after I'd showed you our one, you would have, shown me a little bit sooner.
Yeah, well, it's not much home to write home about, So.
Well, you got to start somewhere.
That's true. So yeah, these are our new chairs that we got just a couple of days ago.
Fancy church with their fancy coffee. Alright, where do they keep their chocolate powder? Bingo!
Hey bro,
What's up, man?
remember we used to play these as kids?
What's that?
These here, look. Yeah,
Alright.
here we go.
Look what I got. Oh. Hey! Bro.
Hey. Thanks, bro. It's good.
Yeah, give it back.
Nah, hey, I took it off you, bro.
It's mine.
No, but it's
Hey.
mine. No, I want
Give
it.
it, yeah, it's
No,
mine,
I want
mate.
it more.
It's mine.
No,
It's,
I'm older than you.
Yeah, I paid
I
for
came
this.
first.
I paid for this.
It's my right.
Give it
Go.
here. Hey, bro, how about a game?
Sweet. Just got to warm up.